Lamborghini Aventador, a beast unleashed, detailed review. Welcome to our in-depth review of the legendary Lamborghini Aventador, a car that has redefined supercar standards since its debut. In today's video, we take you through every detail, from jaw-dropping design to blistering performance, and even real-world driving impressions. Whether you're a die-hard Lambo fan or just an automotive enthusiast, this video is your ultimate guide to the Aventador experience. Exterior design, a moving work of art. Right from the moment you lay eyes on the Aventador, it's clear that this car was designed to dominate. With sharp, angular lines, an aggressive stance, and a low-slung silhouette, the Aventador looks like a fighter jet on wheels. The signature Y-shaped LED headlights give it a menacing glare, while the sculpted body panels are more than just for show, they're engineered for optimal aerodynamics. The massive rear diffuser, active rear wing, and quad exhaust scream performance. Every vent, scoop, and crease has a purpose, either cooling the engine or enhancing downforce. Available in a variety of vibrant, customizable colors, the Aventador is a rolling piece of Italian art that commands attention on any street. Interior, exotic yet purposeful. Step inside the Aventador and you're greeted with a cockpit that feels more like a spaceship than a car. The driver-focused layout features premium Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber throughout. The center console, with its fighter jet-style flip switch for ignition, sets the tone for what's to come. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, adapting based on the selected driving mode. While the interior is tight and visibility is limited, it's all part of the supercar charm. It's not meant to be practical, it's meant to be thrilling, and in that regard, the Aventador excels. Engine and performance, raw power. Now, let's talk about what really matters, the heart of the beast. The Aventador is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, producing an astonishing 730 horsepower in the Aventador S, and up to 770 horsepower in the SVJ variant. This power plant is mated to a 7-speed single-clutch ISR transmission, which delivers brutal shifts that emphasize the rawness of the car. 0 to 60 miles per hour is dealt with in just 2.8 seconds, and the top speed exceeds 217 miles per hour. This car is not just fast, it's ferocious. The sound of the V12 screaming at 8,500 RPM is enough to give any car lover goosebumps. Unlike turbocharged engines, this NA-V12 offers immediate throttle response and a linear power band that keeps pushing all the way to redline. Handling and driving experience, brutal precision. Driving the Aventador is a unique experience. It feels mechanical, alive, and engaging. Thanks to its all-wheel drive system and advanced aerodynamics, the Aventador grips the road with tenacity. The rear-wheel steering system, introduced in the S model, improves agility at low speeds and stability at high speeds, making this supercar surprisingly nimble around corners. However, it's not without its challenges. The Aventador's sheer size and heavy steering at low speeds make it less practical in urban environments. The single-clutch gearbox can feel jerky in traffic, reminding you that this machine was built for the track, not the city. Technology and features. While the Aventador isn't known for cutting-edge infotainment, it does offer essentials like navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and a decent sound system. But let's be honest, no one buys a Lamborghini for Apple CarPlay or Lane Keep Assist. The real tech lies in the car's adaptive suspension, dynamic steering, and drive modes that allow you to tailor the car's behavior from strata, street, to sport and the aggressive Corsa, track. In the SVJ model, you also get Lamborghini's aero vectoring system, which actively adjusts aerodynamics in real time to enhance performance through corners. Everyday use, more show than go? It's important to note that the Aventador isn't exactly an ideal daily driver. With limited cargo space, a stiff ride, and low ground clearance, it demands compromises. But for those who can afford it, the Aventador isn't just a car, it's a statement. You don't buy this machine for practicality. You buy it because it delivers an unmatched blend of heritage, drama, and presence. Price and final thoughts. The Lamborghini Aventador starts at around $420,000, with special editions like the SVJ costing well over $500,000. For that money, You're getting one of the last true V12 supercars, a dying breed in a world moving toward electrification. It's loud, it's wild, and it's everything a Lamborghini should be. In conclusion, the Aventador is not perfect, it's flawed in the most charming ways. It's not trying to be subtle, comfortable, or efficient. It's here to thrill, excite, and remind you why we love cars. If you ever get the chance to drive one, don't think twice. It's an experience that will stay with you forever.